is MS Fishing here, and today I will be doing some creek chub fishing. Not trapping, but fishing. I have my friend here, Luke.
Hello.
He's going to be fishing and filming me, and you're doing a very bad job on stringing it. So I will be fishing, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and I got a little worm on there, a small hook. We're heading to the good spot. And if you want to see more videos of me fishing, me and my friend Luke, who's the cameraman right now, we are going to go to his creek and go trout fishing. So it should be fun. Alright, so I'm just going to cast down there. They will go crazy for this worm. Alright. Right off the bat, like 20 of them just go for it, but no bites. Kind of looking at it. Come on. Oh, I had a bite. There we go. There we go. First tiny chub of the day. They usually get bigger than this. We're just gonna go ahead and take them off. Oh, he squeals. Don't you hate how they squeal? Oh shoot, sure, I hate it. So that's chub right there. I'm kind of holding it wrong. I'm gonna let him go. There's more chubs to be caught because I see big ones down there, and I'm probably gonna catch him next. So I'm just putting my worm back on because it was off. All right, round 2. Oh, there's a big one. I don't know if you guys can see in the water, but there we go. There we go. Oh, dang. Dang. That is a good size. There's a round 2. Another chub. He's going to squeal probably. Nope. No squealing. No squealing today. He got himself hooked. Good. So there's a creek chub right there. Alright, it's time to let them go. They're just digging these worms. Alright, let's go again. I see some pretty big ones down here. They're pretty smart now. They know it's a trick. That's not good. Alright guys, I'm going to come back to you guys when I catch one. So, see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I am done fishing. Or we're not done fishing, but like I think it's going to be my friend Luke's turn. So we're just going to record him, you know, fishing and stuff. So I'm pretty sure he's going to do well at it. Alright. He's just untangling his fishing pole. Alright. So, I did put some bass in here. I don't know where they went. I don't know what happened to them. So, it's a mystery. But I'm just trying to get a good shot of him. There's the water. And there he is. Alright, so I'll come back to you guys when he actually gets a bite. So it's been about like 10 minutes now, no bites. I don't know if there is going to be bites. We'll see. We got a few snags in earlier. And so, I don't know. If we're not catching anything, we might have to head up and do something. Just maybe put a trap. So I'll come back to you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I think I found my trap that I lost. Like, I didn't record this trap at all or like make a video on it. I found it and I wanted to see, because we're wrapping up this video, I wanted to see if there was anything. Oh crap, I almost just fell. If there's anything in this trap. If it's a little camera a little shaky, it's because like we're going downhill. So I'll see you guys in a sec. My trap, guys, is obliterated. No fish in here. Bummer. But I will take back this part of my trap. Alright, so I'm going to take back this top part and use it for another trap. I'll see you guys next time. Please leave a like and subscribe.